No, this isn't some alien plant species, though it may look pretty strange. This is actually a team of robots working together to build a structure by winding fibers into tubes. Step 1. The winding arm pulls fiber and resin from a tank on the ground, mixes the material in the nozzle, and winds the wetted fiber around itself. Step 2. The robot turns on an ultraviolet light to cook and harden the fiber. Step 3. Using a tiny motor and wheels, the robot inches itself up on top of the hardened fiber. Then, the process begins again. The robot can change directions by angling itself at the top of the recently printed section. And it can use different winding patterns to change the strength of the build. The swarming bots are also able to communicate with each other through a computer network. This allows them to avoid running into each other or other obstacles that might be in their path. Together, the team of robots can find the most efficient way to build a structure. Researchers think this technology could be used to build installations in remote or dangerous environments, like after an extreme weather event. They might look a little strange, but these fiber bots are a well-choreographed construction crew.
You use artificial intelligence every day. When you search online, when you talk to your phone, but AI requires massive computational power with specialized devices and large data centers. Until now.
Our specialized technology brings AI directly to your phone or small device. Now you can fit the power of AI into the palm of your hand. It's still just as powerful, and now you can take it anywhere.
All the processing happens on the CPU of your device, not the GPU. Definitely not in some data centers.
This enables unprecedented levels of responsiveness, speeds, and reliability. And the data, it stays right in your device, ensuring highest levels of privacy.
Consider, for example, the problem of object detection. On a desktop computer, object detection takes forever for a single image. Now we can do it in real time on a cell phone.
We can even go smaller than a mobile phone. This is a Raspberry Pi Zero. It's a $5 computer without a lot of power, but our technology turns this tiny computer into an intelligent system with any number of potential applications. For example, it could be a smart security system for a home or office that not only records events, but monitors the events in real time and warns you when it sees threatening objects or behaviors.
Our software brings AI to any device. And when any device is a smart device, imagine the possibilities.
Ammonia, acetone, isoprene, nitric oxide, these are chemicals that we found in our breath. And these chemicals signify the presence of a disease or metabolic malfunction. And by identifying these chemicals and measuring their concentration, we can have non-invasive diagnostics. That was the rationale behind developing such a sensor. What was the idea was how can we really measure flu in a non-invasive manner and early on. And we identified isoprene. And isoprene is really the new sensor that together with either an acetone sensor or a nitric oxide sensor, we can really make it a flu virus detection device. The breathalyzer is a handheld portable device. When you just exhale once and you get the signal, whether you are sick or not. I think it can help in many different ways. First of all, people don't know if they have the flu until they are really, really sick and they have to go to the doctor and then they have to be tested for the flu. By that time, probably they have infected a lot of other people. So it's a public health issue. We really prevent the spreading of the disease. The device is very inexpensive, so this is going to be a very affordable tool that someone may acquire over the counter, and it can be around 1,000 uses. So it's going to be really a very, very inexpensive, affordable, and that's why we think it's going to have an effect, an impact on public health.